Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to transfer your Nintendo Switch data to a new console instantly step by step.
Step 1. Turn on both Nintendo Switch consoles. Step 2. Connect both consoles to Wi-Fi. Step 3. On the old Switch, go to System Settings. Step 4. Scroll down and select Users. Step 5. Choose the user profile you want to transfer. Step 6. Tap Transfer your user data. Step 7. Select Source Console on your old Switch. Step 8. Now go to your new Switch System Settings. Step 9. Select Users, Add User, transfer your user data. Step 10. Select Target Console on the new Switch. Step 11. Sign in with the same Nintendo account on the new Switch. Step 12. Place both consoles close together. Step 13. Wait while the data transfers. Step 14. When done, tap Finish on both consoles. Step 15. Restart the new Switch to apply all data. Step 16. Open your games to confirm the saved data and settings moved.